Hi and welcome to my video. People are treating AI like it's a new kind of quest guide. But this time, the quest is called How to Make Money Online. And just like outdated guides, the advice is generic, overused, and followed by millions of people, all expecting to strike gold. They type in the magic words, and the AI obediently spits out the same tired list. Dropshipping, affiliate marketing, faceless YouTube channels, print on demand. You see these glitchy, recycled ideas everywhere. They were once clever strategies, but now they're just digital ghost towns, crowded with people who are promised a shortcut. The problem isn't that the AI is weak, or that it's lying to you. The problem is that we're asking it a lazy question. It's easier than ever to execute an idea. You can build a website in an afternoon, generate a logo in seconds, and write 1,000 blog posts before dinner. But the robot doesn't choose a meaningful idea for you. It can't give you a purpose. When everyone asks the same question, how do I make money? The AI can only give the most common, lowest common denominator answer. It reflects our own lack of originality back at us. The real mistake isn't trusting the technology, it's abdicating our own thinking. We need to stop asking AI for a treasure map and start using it like a compass to navigate our own journey. This requires asking better, harder, more personal questions. Instead of, how do I make money? Try asking yourself these things first. What do I actually need money for? Is it for freedom, security, or just to buy things? How much money would genuinely change my life right now? Maybe it's not $1 million. Maybe it's just an extra $500 a month. Ask, what am I willing to do every single day, even when it's boring and no one is watching? That's where your real work ethic lies. And just as important, what am I not willing to do, no matter how profitable it sounds? Your integrity is not for sale. Look at yourself honestly. What skills, strange hobbies, or unfair advantages do you already possess? Maybe you know a niche community inside and out. Maybe you have a unique artistic style that is your starting point, not some generic business model. And finally, how long are you willing to wait before this works? Are you looking for a quick flip, or are you building something that can last for a decade? AI is a phenomenal tool. It's an accelerator, a clarifier. It can help you structure your thoughts, test your ideas faster than ever before, and reveal blind spots you never knew you had. But it can't decide your values. It can't measure your tolerance for risk, and it certainly can't give you patience. People don't fail because the AI gave them bad advice. They fail because they're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme that doesn't require any honesty. They want the reward without the reflection. So here's the uncomfortable truth you might hear at 2 in the morning, the kind that actually sticks. Don't ask AI for money. Ask it to help you think clearly. The rest is up to you. Thanks for watching.